Two bills, one in the House, one in the Senate, are proposing changes for Title IX rules on campuses around the state. Our Jesse Inman is here to explain what the changes could bring in if enacted into law. Jesse.
Yeah, Heather, Title IX rules are in place to offer resources for a number of issues, including sexual assault. Now, Senate Bill 259 and House Bill 573, they're essentially the same bill, and they're geared towards providing what one lawmaker says is more of a fair shake to those who are accused of sex crimes. Senator Gary Romine is sponsoring Senate Bill 259, and he feels that as the rules are now, defendants in sex crimes on campuses are not given a fair shake by Title IX.
The whole Title IX issue is about protecting the integrity of both parties, and I think that needs to be protected. It's a very important program. But there's going to be times when there needs to be an appeal process if the accused has been given a suspension or removed from the campus. They need to have an opportunity for a quick appeal, and this bill is going to facilitate that.
He says the bill is meant to bring balance between the accuser and the accused.
We have a lot of people who come directly to us looking for help, and that doesn't always look the same.
Missouri State's Title IX coordinator Jill Patterson says the concept of balance and fairness is not new.
One of the most critically important parts of Title IX is that we be fair and supportive and offer due process to both parties. That's not a new conversation. That's been a part of Title IX all along and is currently a part of the guidance from the federal government.
While campuses do receive guidance from the government, Title IX departments are not a government law entity. Rather, they operate within the campus, and their investigations could result in the accused student being kicked out of school.
In these cases, we have a hard time defending our client.
Criminal defense attorney Dee Wampler believes these bills are the playing field.
These bills would allow cross-examination and allow different items of physical evidence in, and it would be a lot more fair, if you will, in allowing the accused person due process of law.
We're here for both parties, not just people who feel victimized, but people who are accused as well.
Now, Senator Romine says this bill would allow accused students to have a hearing in front of the state's Administrative Hearing Commission. Now, U.S. Education Secretary Betsy DeVos has proposed legislation that would make it tougher to convict someone of a sex crime at schools based on burden of proof. Now, those are at the federal level. Senator Romine says Missouri should get out in front of the issue and form their own rules.